Let's multiply together these numbers and these bases to a power. So starting off treating numbers like they're numbers, 4 times 3 is really going to be 12. Versus when we have a base to a power, then when we multiply bases, we add exponents. So it might be helpful to rewrite these as power over root. Since the power of x is not written, it's 1, over the root is 6. Same thing with this one. This is x to the power is not written, so it's 1. And the root is 5. We want to remember this rule that anytime you have a root of x to a power, it's always power over root. Powers get to be on top, roots are in the bottom. So the power is 1 when it's not written, and our first root was 6. And then our power was 1 since it wasn't written, and then the root was 5. So since we're multiplying bases, we're going to add those powers. So we have 1/6 plus 1/5. Of course, we could find a common denominator of 30 and add these together, or we can grab a calculator and just do 1/6 plus 1/5 in our calculator. And if it's a graphing calculator, you hit math, enter, enter. On a graph calculator, it's math, enter, enter, or on a scientific calculator, you're usually looking for an F arrow D button. So we would add these together and get 11 over 30.